Hi, my name is Carol Zirkle. Today I wanted to show you the power of a function that is in the Descript editing program called Studio Sound. And in Studio Sound, it is a feature that makes me keep coming back to use Descript all the time, because what it does is makes it sounds like you're in a fancy studio by taking out all the junky noise. This is just a short clip that I had where I was doing some painting, and you can see how thick the line is down here, and that is where you can literally hear my brush strokes. Then I make a breath here, and I make another breath here, and this is me putting the brush down. So this is what it sounds like. And from there you can let it dry up, and then when you apply your paints, you have a tonal. You can use any color you want. I just picked purple here. Okay. So now I'm going to apply the Studio Sound. I've already put it onto that clip, but I can turn it on and off once it's been applied. So I'm going to turn it on, and you can see that all of that thick line is on now. So you won't be able to hear me brushing on the canvas. I think you still can hear me breathe there, but not here. Putting the brush down is almost gone completely. So here we go. And from there you can let it dry up, and then when you apply your paints, you have a tonal. You can use any color you want. I just picked purple here. So that's what it is. I can turn it off and you can see what it was. I can turn it on and it affects all the junk even when I'm speaking. So this is a fantastic tool. I can actually tape anytime I want to, even when people are watching TV in the next room. I don't have to worry about the sound of the furnace. I cannot believe how easy it is, and it saves me tons of time. So this is from Descript, Studio Sound. I have an affiliate link in the listing below if you want to take a look at it. Let me know if there's anything else you want to know about. Have a really great day.